God and the benefit of people of Nnewi and Anambra in general. We dedicate this place in the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit.
So today, the permanent site of Nnamdi Azikiwe University Teaching Hospital in Akamili Umudim Nnewi was commissioned, and some departments were commissioned. Those ones that have been completed, because so many buildings here are still under construction. So it's a very wonderful and a day of joy that finally the teaching hospital has now moved to the permanent site, where they now have spacious land, enough space for expansion and a lot of other activities compared to the old site where they were being choked. So it's a day of joy. Just stay tuned as we tour around these facilities today. So guys, this is the accident and emergency department. You see, this place is much more spacious compared to the accident and emergency in the temporary site. This is an improvement that's commendable. So these ambulance vehicles, or what should I call it, that are being commissioned now will be used for transporting patients, especially patients in critical condition within the hospital, maybe from one department to another department. That is what these vehicles will be used for majorly. They were never in the temporary site and now they are here. That is amazing. So they are about to commission the pediatrics emergency complex. This is the complex for children. Comparing this one to the complex we have in the old site, the temporary site, this is also a much more improvement. It's a welcomed development. So now we want to take you guys on a drone tour of the facility, a drone tour of the permanent site of Nnamdi Azikiwe University Teaching Hospital in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria. We want to show you guys some area view, to show you some projects that are still ongoing, those at the foundation level, those at advanced level, and the road network and all that. You know, just few. We didn't really like go very round, but we captured a lot of things because this place is just massive. It's too massive. Stay tuned, enjoy this video. Let's go.